Carlos Salas, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Coinful Capital. Coinful is an alternative investments hedge fund. We specialize in complex transactions, emerging markets, new technologies. We find an edge in any of those, and then we scale as much as possible. We started back in 2016 in the Shanghai Stock Exchange, doing high-frequency trading. We were a proprietary trading firm, and from there we evolved into digital assets and decided in 2018 to launch our own fund. Since then, we're focused a lot on growing our AUM, maintaining our liquidity, keeping costs down. And so the goals for the next 5 years is to increase the AUM to maybe 3, 4, 5 times, and also the investor base, as well as maintaining the liquidity so that investors feel comfortable to invest and also come out as well.
I'm Stephen Lynch, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Coinful Capital. Coinful Capital, we're focused on alternative investments. So we generally try to stay away from traditional investments. Traditional investments include equities, bonds, forex, real estate. And I think that already puts us in a kind of niche group of funds already. When we talk about alternative investments, we look at different asset classes, emerging asset classes like digital assets, precious metals, and we also deal with complex transactions. And we do some traditional investing, but mostly in emerging markets. We are also quite a tech-savvy team, so we do develop a lot of proprietary technologies that help us in our research, our strategy formulation, as well as execution. Currently, our core base of investors right now are high net worth individuals, as well as family offices. We do also have interest from a lot of fund of funds, and we do have some investors that are fund of funds. But I would see that most of our offerings would probably be largely catered to family offices, high net worth individuals, and we'll start to see more institutional investors coming on board.
My name is Lutwin Lai, and I'm a portfolio manager at Coinful Capital. So I am managing Peers 50. At Peers 50, we focus on seeking investment opportunities that arbitrage between local markets and international markets. In particular, we focus on the gold market in the Southern African region. We simply said, buy unrefined gold from small, medium-sized miners and work closely together with licensed brokers and refineries to sell the refined gold at international prices. Since our inception, we have shown consistent returns and always have been positive.
My name is Matt Chuang. I'm a Chief Risk Officer at Coinful. At Coinful, we deal with two major risks. One is counterparty, and the other one is market risk. Counterparty risk is very straightforward. We always work with the accredited, trusted counterparties, and they so far to do a great job. For the specifics, please can refer to our website. And for the market risk, because we have two portfolios, one is gold. We use put options to hedge against their downside risk. We establish a price floor. So the gold holding the portfolio is hedged against the downside pressure at all times. For the crypto portfolio, we have an in-house risk management control center that's able to monitor our positions 24/7 and gives the management all the key numbers to look at. And if we need to act or execute liquidation, we can do it on the platform. Overall, I think we do a good job compared to the other competitors in the industry in terms of performance. And I believe this is mainly attributed to a very well-designed risk management team and our hard work.
My name is Andrew Wong and I'm the Portfolio Manager for the Digital Generation Fund, otherwise known as the DGen Fund. I think digital assets for me really is about disruption. As we continue advancing as a society, it almost seems inevitable that we have a complete shift into digitization, and that said, it is really exciting to be at the forefront driving that growth and change for generations to come.
Hi, I'm Benjamin Sung and I manage the Digital Generation Fund at Coinful Capital. Like any emerging asset class, we expect consolidation to be happening over the next several years. But blockchain and digital assets are only scratching the surface of its potential. 3 trends we absolutely think will happen in the coming years include the continued development of Layer 1s, cross-chain applications, broader market adoption of decentralized finance, and last but not least, the emergence of non-fungible tokens, helping us not only to protect and monetize IP, but also creating a marketplace for such IP to be exchanged.